A very good evening, everyone. Myself, Priya, is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 30th September 2020. So, in this editorial session, we are going to discuss the two articles which are given. The first one is Weighing the Cost, and the second one is Minsk on the Brink. Okay, right. First, we are going to discuss the first article of today's editorial, that is Weighing the Cost. In this editorial, we are going to cover the vocabulary part which is in that, and also I am going to give you the brief analysis of both the articles. Weighing the cost. A prohibitively expensive vaccine, besides being unacceptable, will do little good. So prohibit means not allowing. So like vaccine must be available to all. So whenever if it is expensive, many of them can't get, right? So they are discussing about that. A prohibitively expensive vaccines which are very high cost are not allowed, will do little good, right? With over 6 million cases and the death toll from COVID-19 approaching, COVID-19 approaching it's 100,000. India is entering the first winter of the pandemic. So, pandemic had started long back in China. So, if we talk about India, it's entering the first winter. So, winter is also coming, right? So, we call it as the first winter in pandemic. Viral infections, particularly of the influenza variety, are also common at this time of the year, and there may be new unknowns and the risk that lie ahead. So, what they are saying is, just it's very risky for us. Why? Because generally in winter season we get different variety of diseases. So you can't say that those can't be eradicated. Those are just like cold, flu or influenza like those. So what we are worried is, will these give any risk to the COVID patients? So suppose in a winter season you will have or someone will have cold at that time or something, any problems in winter season. At that time, if they get COVID, are they going to keep their lives in risk ahead? They are saying that. However, another potential milestone approaches: the probable availability of vaccine. Milestone. What is meant by milestone? An important event in the development or history of something. So, vaccine is a milestone now. So, if it is entering, it is such a great great award for us. So like we are suffering, everyone are suffering from this COVID pandemic. So they said that a milestone. And the next one is, Union Health Minister Harshvardhan on multiple occasions has said that an India-made vaccine was likely to available in early 2021. So Harshvardhan, Health Minister, said that Indian-made vaccine will be available to the people in 2021. The government already has an expert committee on the vaccine distribution. Their job is to decide who gets the vaccine first, how many will be eligible for the early doses, what the cost would be, and whether there should be a cost at all for the majority of Indians who anyway were the hardest hit by the pandemic in the summer. So what? As soon as the vaccine you get, you can't go and inject yourself. There will be several restrictions. Like government is only going to decide that first who are going to get. Okay, like what they're thinking is, will we give to the first recovered patients will be there, no? They'll give for suffering and also for the recovered patients. Why? Because you can't say that it is not going to attack once again. It may attack once again. So precautions they are going to take at least now. Okay. Storage and supply of vaccines are also problems as daunting as making one and pose complex challenges in India. Daunting. What is meant by daunting? Intimidating, formidable, unnerving, unsettling. They were faced with the daunting task of restoring the house. Okay, right. So the next one is, the government is yet to make its policy on distribution explicit, but the current thinking appears to be that nobody would be denied a vaccine on the grounds of affordability. There is even discussion that a vaccine may be available via the National Immunization Program. This initiative currently offers at least 9 vaccines for preventable diseases free for children and pregnant women. The pandemic's global nature has meant that even the quest for a vaccine is international. So vaccine, so you are going to search, you're going to pursue, you're going to hunt for the vaccine. It is not only national related topic, it's also international. The GAV COVAX Alliance has emerged as the largest coordinator of vaccine development as a distribution of a probable vaccine. Based on a combination of payments by 78 high-income countries and donations, the GAV COVAX aims to ensure that between 15 to 20% of every country's population, or at least their most vulnerable, are able to be inoculated first. What does mean by inoculated? Inoculated means getting immunized, getting vaccinated. For example, she is being inoculated, means she is being immunized. She is being vaccinated, right? Firstly, they are going to inoculate to the vulnerable people. Okay. In principle, these are laudable aims and underlying principles of equity. What does mean by laudable? It's nothing but praiseworthy, commendable, meritorious, worthy. She has shown a laudable devotion to her children, right? A paucity of testing facilities and equipment in March led to stringent restrictions on who could be tested. So, like, there are several harsh restrictions that who are going to be vaccinated first. Though the tests were free, they were first available only in government facilities and thus contributed to a significant pool of untested carriers and a rapid spread of the virus that was only marginally blunted by the lockdown. Only after the number of labs expanded to both public and private labs, restrictions on who could get tested were removed and a greater variety of tests became available, that disease management improved even though testing, not expensive, was also not free. It is to be anticipated that vaccine delivery will be a protracted process and it will be a long time before the average citizen has access to it. There are at least 3 Indian companies testing their own vaccines so as prohibitively expensive vaccine, besides being unacceptable, is also unlikely. So what does mean by blunted? Blunted is nothing but become less sharp or dull, dampen, weaken. My recent bad experience has blunted my enthusiasm for travel. Right, this is about the first article and we completed our article. And I hope every one of you have understood this article, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.